Hello and welcome to the Add a New Post tutorial. To get started, head to your profile page. Once on your profile page, look to the bottom right corner and you'll notice a red circle with a plus icon in the center. Click on it. A pop-up will then appear with two options: create post and stream. In this video, we're going to create a post. Click on Create Post. If you've already uploaded images before, they will appear in your vault. If not, your vault will be blank. Click the big red Upload button at the bottom of your screen and you'll be prompted to choose the file you want to upload. It could be an image or a video. Once your file is uploaded, it will appear in the window and you'll have several options available. You can add a caption and tag other businesses using the @ symbol followed by their username. You can also include additional files. At the bottom left of the Publish button, you'll find a gear icon. Click on the icon and you'll see the option to schedule your post. You can even add a teaser image that will be displayed until your scheduled post time arrives. At that point, the main images will be displayed live and the teaser will be removed. Your last step is to click the big red Publish button. If you need to delete or edit your post, simply locate the post you want to modify. Click on the three-dot icon and choose Edit to make changes or Delete to remove it. That's it.